Uganda versus Namudu Safina and Chazedeo.
Others. From his condition, it appears to me that he is unable to sit or follow proceedings on his own. I am of the view that I will therefore direct that A2 should be returned to police for purposes of enabling him to access medical attention and only have him represented in court for explanation of charges when he is in a position to follow proceedings and understand the charges that to him. To apply for bail, but in any case, you have to make an application before the High Court. So in the meantime, the accused is remanded to prison. In the meantime, the accused is remanded to prison until 28th of June 2024 when he will come out for mention.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.